This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today, I'm going to show you the killer feature of Google Contacts, which may be the Notes feature. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So I am in Google Contacts, and I want to tell you a very important thing that I use this for, besides being able to call people up or email them right away using this contacts list. I also use it as like a database of information about these people that I can use to quickly find them later on. And this is how it works. So let's take this person, Faiza, and let's say that I'm going to edit it. I'm going to go down to the notes field, and I'm going to start to enter information about this person. So I met her at the IDG alumni dinner in 2024. And then I remember stuff like she was on the marketing team. And then also she went to Boston University. And then she has a husband named Fred and a son named Chip, born about 2010. Okay? So I've just saved all this information about this particular person. And then, like a lot of contacts that you have, like you meet them somewhere, you just kind of forget about it. But let's say later on, like I want to contact her again about something else. Like for instance, I remember that she worked for this company that might be useful for my current business. All I need to do is use some of those terms that I might associate with her. Like even if I don't remember her name, I remember that her son had kind of an old-fashioned name, Chip. And there you go. I just typed in Chip, and then the link showed up. And I can click on it, and I can see more details about her. I can see her, the company she worked for. That's the information I was looking for. So this basically turns into like an extension of my brain by using this. If this video helped, I hope that you can take a moment to like it and subscribe. And I have links to more resources in the description, including how to use all kinds of other Google apps, from Gmail to Google Drive to Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching.